What's up, YouTube? It's Paul, y'all, and I found another one of these mini toolboxes here at Home Depot. It appears Husky introduced their own version, and this one has a handy little latch and a handle, which is convenient, pretty nice, and doesn't have a whole lot of room in the very top, as you can see, but no ball bearings, just sliders, reminiscent of the Kobalt version. And the lid does not stay open, it's similar to the Kobalt version. And but the handle and the latch, the locking piece, there's the hinge, Husky. But if you want to get one of your family members one of these mini toolboxes and you really can't afford some of the others, this one is only $15 and some change at your local Home Depot. So go check it out, and hopefully you guys enjoy this one. Similar in size. It's measures almost 11 inches by 6 by 6, basically, or 6.5 with the handle. So go check it out.